And my vision is for each of the members to be high achieving, top performing business owners and leaders in their own businesses, chapter, region, district, community. So simple lang po ang mission vision para sa BNI members. The battle cry of South Luzon District is strive to grow South Luzon. But I want to take this beyond just a tagline. I want the BNI members to have this as a personal mantra. A commitment for growing oneself, not in size, but in spirit, both personally and professionally, growing the chapter, region, and district. I know that later you'll be signing your agreement, and I'm excited for that. But if you decide to become part of BNI Imus region, I assure you that the members here strive to be fat. Hindi po in size, again, in spirit, professionally and personally. And the being fat is an acronym. That I want the members here to have that bayanihan culture, enthusiastic optimism. They're always positive and supportive. Dito nga sa BNI, the more na successful ka, the more na pinagmamayabang ka, pinagmamalaki ka, at pinag-refer ka. Walang kailangan pababa. F is faithful to the giver's gain philosophy. As what was mentioned kanina by Cordy and Ron, A is available for coaching and mentoring. Kasi we strive to grow. We always strive to grow and be teachable, to learn and grow. Once you are part of through BNI, this is your chance to widen your network. Build relationships with the business owners, develop leadership skills, and also learn from the business owners who are tenured in their businesses. Dito po sa BNI, yung mga members dito, they are willing to give their time to coach and mentor each other, so that they can grow in all aspects. Kaya let us continue to share our successes. Let's continue to support each other and strengthen our businesses. Pag pinagtutulungan po natin ito, we will all help Imus Cavite boost its local economy. Yun naman if we are, as business owners, successful in our own businesses, then we are able to help those around us. And matutulungan natin na tumaas ang local economy ni Imus. If you are part of BNI Imus region, you're creating a generational legacy. Kasi hindi lang ito tumutulong sa inyo para lumaki yung negosyo ninyo. Natutulungan mo rin ang pamilya ninyo. Natutulungan mo rin yung mga empleyado ninyo. Natutulungan nyo yung pamilya ng mga empleyado ninyo. Oo. So, let's continue to support each other. And with that, I welcome you to BNI Imus Region's International Networking Week activity. Thank you for coming with high energy and enthusiasm, and looking forward to seeing you in your next activities. More power to us all.